Today I got the best monitor that I've ever had, the Apple Studio Display, released back in March of 2022. In this video, I'm going to be unboxing this display. The 27-inch display comes in a massive box with a good amount of packaging protection. The monitor is housed in all of this white cardboard packaging, which apparently is recyclable. The box of the Studio Display is similar to the iMac 24-inch with a similar releasing mechanism. Under the display, there's a box with the Thunderbolt 4 cable inside to connect it to any Thunderbolt-enabled Mac from 2016 or up. This cable is 3 feet, or 1 meter. The power supply and power cable are both built into the monitor, so there's no need for another box to put the cable in. There's a way for Apple to remove it with a special tool if the power cable gets damaged, similar to the original HomePod. The setup of this monitor is very easy. It only needs 2 cables. One for data, which is a USB-C Thunderbolt 4 connector, and one for power, which is built into the monitor. After I peeled off this Studio Display wrapping, the monitor was already on, which is pretty cool, since I plugged it in prior to this. There is no physical buttons on this monitor at all, actually, and after allowing my Mac to connect to it, it actually turned on and it looks amazing. This monitor is 5120 by 2880 resolution with 218 pixels per inch. It's got 600 nits of brightness, which I think is very good, and this definitely is the brightest monitor I've ever had. This is one of the very few monitors to support Apple's True Tone technology. This monitor has a 12 megapixel webcam, which supports Apple's Center Stage. There's also a built-in microphone, which this whole video has been voiceovered with. I think personally it's okay, but the iPhone's microphone still sounds a good bit better. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed, a like would be appreciated. If you want to see more content like this, you can subscribe.